Let's learn English. My class, your class. Today's lesson, the 5 senses.
I can see. I can see with my eyes. 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 I can see the butterflies. I can hear. I can hear with my ears. 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 I can hear. The dog barks. I can smell. I can smell with my nose. 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 I can smell the flowers. Achoo! I can feel. I can feel on my skin. 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 I feel cold. I can taste. I can taste with my tongue. 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 It's delicious.
Yummy, yummy.
What about subscribing the channel?